Hello everyone, welcome to CodeChef. Myself Jolachara saying today we are going to solve the problem which came into starters 219. The name of the problem is pizza comparison and the problem code is PIZZACOMP. The difficulty rating of the problem is cakewalk and the prerequisite is ad hoc. Let's start with reading the problem statement over here. So guys, problem says chef makes two types of square pizzas, a small pizza with length 10 inches costing A rupees, a large pizza with length 15 inches costing B rupees. His customers are wondering which pizza is more optimal to buy if they want to maximize the amount of pizza received per rupee spent. For comparing, we will assume the amount of pizza to be its area. Output small if the small pizza has more amount per rupee spent, large if the large pizza has more, and equal otherwise. Input format. The first line of input will contain a single integer t denoting the number of test cases. The first and only line of each test case contains two integers a and b. Output format for each test case. Output on a new line small, large or equal as specified. Constraints for t lies from 1 to 100. For a to b lies from 100 to 400. So guys, now let's understand the sample test case in the question more precisely over here. So guys, this question is very straightforward. It says the chef makes two types of pizzas. A small pizza with length 10 inches, it will cost some A rupees, and large pizza with length 15 inches will cost B rupees. So we have to find such that his customers are wondering which pizza is more optimal to buy if they want to maximize the amount of pizza received per rupee spent. Okay, so we have to output small if the small pizza has more amount per rupee spent, or else large or else equal. Okay, now let's take the first test case. In the first test case, we have got A, B, okay, 100 and 400, okay. This is for the small and this is for the big. So the small pizza has an area of 100 and cost 100, right? The cost of 1 rupee, right, per unit. So while the large pizza costs 400 and but with length 15 inches, it will be 15 times square, it would be 225, right? So it will cost eventually around more, okay, but this will cost less per rupee. Okay, so the small would be more efficient for him to buy. Output is simply small. Simple, guys. So guys, I think the test cases are pretty much clear. Now let's move towards the solution. The 10-inch pizza has an area of 10 times of 10, which is equals to 100 square inches, while the 15-inch has an area of 15 times of 15, which is 225. Okay, as I said. So the 10-inch pizza costs A rupees, give 100 by A pizza per rupee. The 15-inch pizza costs B rupees, gives 225 by B pizza per rupee. Thus, if 100 by A is greater than 225 by B, a smaller pizza provides more value per rupee. If 100 by is lesser than 225 by B, the larger pizza provides more value per rupee. If 100 by A is equal to 225 by B, the value provided would be equal. Simple ad hoc solution, guys. I think this is very, very clear. Now let's move towards the simple C++ code. So guys, this is my simple C++ code. I took the input for all the test cases as well as A, B. I initialize small and large. Yeah, I'm checking small is greater than large. I will print small, else large, and else equal. And as you can see that guys, I have got my C++ code right. Now let's move toward the Python code. So guys, this is my similar Python code. I took the input for all the test cases as well as A comma B. I initialize small equal to 100 by A and large equal to 225 by B. And checking if small greater than large, I will print small. Other case I will print large, and else case I will print equal. And as you can see that guys, I have got my Python code right. So guys, I think the solution, the code and the approach is pretty much clear. Now let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much guys for watching our videos.